Today at Battery Guyz Nation, we are installing a battery in a 2020 Nissan Versa. For this project, you would need a 10mm socket with a ratchet or a 10mm wrench to take off the battery bracket, as you see here in the video itself. The first step is you want to take off the battery bracket first. This frees the battery. Step 2, take off the negative terminal. Use your 10mm socket to take off the post of the negative itself, which is the black ground. Step 3, take off your positive terminal. Just use your socket set with your 10mm and just turn it clockwise until you feel the bolt loosen up itself. Now you should be able to lift the battery freely out of the car itself. We're using a battery gripper to lift the battery out of the car itself. It's like a handy little tool that's very easy. If you need one of those, you can pick one of those up from Amazon.com. We're installing the world's best reconditioned battery back into this vehicle today. This vehicle takes a group size H5. You need at least 650 cold cranking amps. So once we get the battery back into the vehicle itself, the next step is to connect the positive and use your 10mm socket to tighten up that screw itself until you feel it tightens up around the post itself. And it's your first time visiting Battery Guyz Nation, and we're adding added value today for showing you how to install a battery. Please subscribe to the channel itself, because we are uploading daily of all types of installs of vehicles, golf cart, boats, solar. We also too show you exactly the recycling part of the business, and also too the recondition part of the business itself too, exactly what we do here at Battery Guyz Nation, because we are considered the world's best recondition experts. Okay, once you get that positive post tightened up, you want to go ahead and the next step is you want to go and put your battery bracket back onto the battery itself and get that tightened up as well too. So what we're doing now, we're basically just tightening up those 10mm screws on the battery bracket itself. Like I say, if you don't have a socket set, you can use a 10mm wrench as well. If you have any suggestions of anything you would like to see on the channel, to all our new subscribers, thank you. Thank you for joining Battery Guyz Nation with a Z. And if you need a battery at half the cost shipped directly to your house, free shipping, visit our website, batteryguyzwithaz.com. Okay, the last step is that you want to connect your ground, which is your negative terminal, back into that battery post itself. Use your 10mm socket or wrench to tighten up the screw around the post. Okay, once you get that tightened up right there, this completes the end of the installation. And this is exactly how you install a battery in a 2020 Nissan Versa.